Hello guys, welcome back to Pick the Best Ones. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best laundry hampers for your family. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Whitmor 4-section rolling laundry sorter. To manage laundry in their homes, people spend a lot of money on many small hampers that let them down. They also clutter the space in homes, which has its share of cons. If you are looking for a better remedy, this rolling 4-section laundry sorter from Whitmor is ideal. This is a functional accessory. If you have large batches of laundry often, you do not have to worry about running out of space. With one, sorting of clothes is also a breeze. Can Whitmor withstand day-to-day abuse well? Do not question this sorter's performance. It is one of the most durable product in this niche. The 4 heavy cotton bags that it has, for instance, are one of a kind. They are durable. You can also remove and wash them when dirty in a washing machine. The chrome frame that it has, on the other hand, is not only stylish but also durable. It will serve you well for years. This is a high-capacity laundry hamper. If you are looking for a portable one that you can travel with effortlessly, it is also one of the best in the market. Its unique frame, for instance, is sturdy yet light. It does not add a lot of weight to this sorter, which is admirable. The sturdy caster wheels that it has are also one of a kind. They are durable and designed to roll smoothly on most floors, even when loaded to capacity. This is a cost-effective product. In homes or hotels, it delivers good results without costing people a lot of money. You also get a service warranty from the manufacturer. If yours develops problems, its manufacturer will sort it out free. Perfect for personal and commercial use, Whitmor is a spacious 4-section sorter that works well. Its cotton bags are durable. They also have machine-washable designs that ease the sorting of different clothes. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Household Essentials 5614. Many people hate doing laundry. The fact that some of us have non-functional laundry hampers at home complicate the process further. This should not be the case. Affordable yet functional brands such as Household Essentials 5614 are readily available on the internet. Buy yours to get a 2-compartment laundry hamper made of high-quality polyester. The material is durable. It also has a stylish and low-maintenance design that people like. The fact that Household Essentials 5614 has a functional dual-compartment design makes it ideal for homes. You will like its design for many reasons. First, because of its sheer sizes, it accommodates large batches of clothes. This makes it an ideal product for people with large families. You can also sort clothes for easier washing and secure them well using its lid. This versatile all-in-one hamper serves most people well. Household Essentials 5614 requires a bit of assembly to work well. This is a simple process, though. With the help of a few standard tools, you can set up its basket without breaking a sweat. Its lid, on the other hand, has a detachable magnet flap, which is easy to set up as well. This 26 by 24 by 14-inch hamper will improve how you handle laundry at home. Made of high-quality polyester, Household Essentials 5614 is a durable and eye-catching hamper for homes. It secures most types of clothes well. Its lidded dual-compartment design, on the other hand, enables you to sort clothes with ease. At number 3, we have the Whitmor Round Commercial Laundry Hamper. Laundry hampers are valuable accessories in homes and hotels. They are fun to use. They also come in a plethora of shapes and sizes that satisfy the needs of most people. If you are looking for a good commercial-grade one that offers value for money, choose Whitmor. Its light and portable design is ideal for hotels and other commercial establishments. Its chrome metal frame is durable, while the commercial-grade swivel wheels it has boost its functionality further. There is nothing as frustrating as having a small laundry hamper at home. To clean large batches of clothes, people have to make many trips to and from their laundry rooms, which is frustrating. To avoid such issues, look for a spacious hamper such as Whitmor. This round-shaped accessory secures large batches of clothes well. It also has sturdy fabric fasteners and polyester bags that secure clothes well. If you are conscious about your spending, avoid the low-grade laundry hampers that serve people for a few weeks. Durable brands such as Whitmor round serve people better. Assembled well, this hamper does not break down as easily as some cheap brands often do. Its frame and wheels are durable. Its wall-saving bumpers, on the other hand, protect walls from damage. An original one will serve you well for long. Made of chrome-finished materials, this is an eye-catching product. Set up in your bedroom or guest bedroom, it does not create an eyesore, as cheap plastic ones often do. You can also clean it easily when needed. Buy Whitmor to get a commercial-grade laundry hamper that works well in homes and hotels. It is a spacious product. Its longevity and ease of use have also made it sought after globally. It will serve you well. At number 2, we have the OXO Good Grips Flex Lid Hamper. Most of the products that OXO Good Grips has produced over the years never disappoint. If you are looking for a laundry hamper, for instance, it is home to many quality products, with this Flex Lid one leading the pack. Made of a board-like material, its style and performance are laudable. Whilst in use, for instance, the risk of it ripping is slim. You can load large volumes of clothes in it without compromising its structure. It also has a stylish design with a solid frame that maintains its structure. Like most products that we have reviewed, loading and unloading of this laundry hamper is a piece of cake. The unique flex lid design that it has, for instance, is one of a kind. Its springs open for easier loading of clothes and other garments. Spills are not common. Finally, to unload clothes, you do have to loosen zips and/or buckles. You pour them out. Transporting this OXO Good Grips Flex Lid Hamper is a piece of cake. Unlike some brands that collapse in transit, its reinforced design retains its shape under load. It also has thick and soft handles that most people enjoy using. They do not irritate the hands, as solid ones often do. OXO Good Grips Flex Lid is a valuable hamper for homes. Loading clothes in it is a breeze. It also has a charming and durable design with padded handles from easy transportation. You will enjoy using one. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rubbermaid 4D06. Rubbermaid products are popular in homes. Some of the best mopping supply buckets, for instance, are from this brand. It is also home to some of the best ladder, wheelbarrows, and most importantly, laundry hampers. If you are shopping for the latter, consider this brand. Made of high-quality canvas, it is a light yet durable product. The risk of it ripping under stress is slim. It is also safe for most types of clothing. You will enjoy using one daily. Storing some of the bulky plastic hampers is a chore for people with small homes. They clutter personal space. The risk of tripping over them is also high, which makes them health hazards. You will have better results with Rubbermaid 4D06. The heavy-duty canvas used to make it collapses for easy storage. You can also travel with it easily. Measuring 23 by 14 by 14 inches, this is a spacious product. If you clean large batches of clothing often, a new one will serve you well. Loading it is a breeze. Unloading it is also simple. Finally, even when loaded to capacity, you can transport it effortlessly using its non-irritant side holes. You do need a lot of money to own one of the best laundry hampers in the market. Rubbermaid 4D06, even though professional grade, is an affordable product. Most people can afford one. You can also clean it and reuse it many times without compromising its structure in any way. Recommended for day-to-day use in homes, Rubbermaid 4D06 is a durable laundry hamper made of canvas. It is a spacious product. Its transportation is a breeze. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.